All right, Noah. Here's your gaming computer. So I've kind of decided to take it into the shop, and the reason why is you can see this rat's nest down here at the bottom, and you know it's above and beyond my competency level. I used to build computers, and I could probably figure this out over time, but I want this thing together before you get here. So what we have here, remember I told you you had two drives. Well, this is the SSD drive. This is solid state, and there's nothing spinning in it like the old drives that we have. And this is where your operating system is installed on Windows 10. Down here is your other hard drive, and it does spin. It's a Western Digital. I don't know what's it called? It's not an SSD, but I can't remember off the top of my head. But it spins. It's like a record player, relatively slower, much slower than this right here. So the plan is, as you can see, you got a space here on the back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have them mount a 2 terabyte SSD solid state drive here. Leave this one here. It's only like 700 gigabyte, but I honestly think this one's like 1 terabyte. Bottom line is you're going to have an overkill on drive space, but what will happen is once we get this new drive in, this solid state drive, and run your operating system, it's going to make your system, probably 15 times faster. To include, obviously, you got the upgrade in the going from the i7 to the i9 Intel chip, and of course you already maxed out on your RAM, your DDR RAM. So I'm taking this in tomorrow, and hopefully explain what I just explained to you, because your video card is still awesome. Here's your i9 Intel chip. I'm going to have to ask about this because I think we may have to get another cooler, something a little bit more robust, because this one here, I've noticed that it's been spiking on the temp, because obviously you got a new processor, generates more heat, and then you have the old cooling system here, which is not adequately keeping it cool. So I'm going to reference that tomorrow when I take it in. But bottom line is, when you get here, this machine is it should last us another couple of more years before we have to buy another one, because everything that we've upgraded, we've maxed out. So the next thing that we can do is really have to buy a new system, because you're going to have to change out your motherboard, which is, the motherboard is this thing here, is what everything is sitting on. That thing, all that right there is your motherboard. So there's your 4 slots of your DDR RAM, so you have a total of 32 gigabytes, and then of course your CPU, and then your video card, and then it's your power source down here. And I just didn't realize that your storage area, or your RAM, and your solid state drives are on the back, on the other side. So all right, big man, I'm taking this in tomorrow morning. I love you, son.